Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best John Wick coin is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for fans of the action-packed franchise. These coins, inspired by the films, have captured the imagination of enthusiasts worldwide. But with so many options available, finding the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of John Wick coins, exploring their design, value, and where to find the best ones. Number 5. Jacked Factory Wick Mode Pre-Workout. Are you ready to become a legend? This pre-workout helps you channel the relentless energy and unwavering determination. It enables you to conquer even the toughest workouts. Feel the power of John Wick in every workout. This pre-workout provides intense energy and focus. It will help you stay on target. Embrace the essence of John Wick. With every scoop, you'll experience commitment and sheer willpower. This pre-workout propels you to an unstoppable state. This flavor matches the enigmatic aura of John Wick. It blends the boldness of blue raspberry with a mysterious twist. It's a flavor you won't forget. This is the secret weapon for those who refuse to be defeated. Stay resilient with each scoop. It's the secret to enduring power and strength that keeps you pushing forward. What we like. This pre-workout gives you intense energy and laser-like focus. It helps you to channel your inner John Wick. If you are looking for a pre-workout that helps you conquer any workout with unwavering determination, you should consider this. What people say. Every flavor I've had so far tastes great, and it mixes smoothly with no chalky aftertaste. It gives me a clean, steady energy boost that keeps me motivated throughout my workouts. No jitters, no crash. The mix of microdosed L-theanine and extended-release caffeine provides a smooth, sustained energy boost without the dreaded crash. Number 4. John Wick Continental Coin .999 Silver Round. This is a John Wick Continental coin, a .999 fine silver round. It's a must-have for any fan of the movies. Own a piece of the action with this unique collectible. This coin is exactly like the one seen in the John Wick films. The design is iconic and instantly recognizable. Get yours today and feel like you're part of the Continental. Made from .999 fine silver, this coin is a valuable investment. It's a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. The coin is protected in plastic to preserve its condition. Each coin contains 1 troy ounce of pure silver. It's a substantial piece that you can be proud to own. This coin is a great addition to any collection. The coin comes in a protective plastic case. This helps to keep it safe from scratches and damage. It's the perfect way to display and protect your investment. What we like. This coin is a .999 fine silver round, a true collectible. It comes in protective plastic, preserving its value and appearance. If you are a fan of the movie and appreciate quality collectibles, you should consider this. What people say. Each coin is encased in protective casing and within felt bag. Beautiful detail and shine. It did weigh 31.2 grams, which is close enough weight of 1 troy ounce plus or minus a tenth of an ounce. The coin is a great silver coin as described, well designed as a gift or investment. Number 3. John Blood Oath Coins, Collectible Movie Props. This Blood Oath marker coin is inspired by the movie. The design is unique and perfect for fans. The skull design makes this coin one of a kind. It's a great choice for collectors and movie enthusiasts. It might even bring you good luck. Use it at Halloween, Christmas, or movie shows. It's a great way to show off your style and bring some good fortune. The coin is 2.95 inches in diameter and weighs 3.7 ounces. It's a substantial piece. It's the perfect gift for Halloween or any special occasion. Give it to your loved ones on birthdays, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. What we like. This coin is a collectible novelty, perfect for fans and collectors. It's a great movie prop that can bring you good luck. If you like to show your aesthetics and bring good luck, you should consider this. What people say. The coin is a great replica. The coin is well made and has a nice weight to it. The details on the coin are very accurate. Number 2. DAMDOS Halloween prop for Johna cosplay. This prop is perfect for any cosplay enthusiast. It's designed to be a faithful replica, enhancing the authenticity of your costume. Get ready to impress with this amazing accessory. The prop features a detailed gold coin design. It's crafted to look realistic, adding a touch of elegance to your cosplay. This will surely catch the eye of anyone who sees it. This prop is a blood oath marker. It's a key element for certain character portrayals. Use it to bring your character to life. Inspired by Keanu Reeves, this prop is ideal for fans. It's a must-have item for those looking to replicate a specific look. It's a great addition to any collection. Get ready for Halloween with this amazing prop. It's perfect for adding a unique touch to your costume. Make this Halloween unforgettable with this prop. What we like. This coin is perfect for Halloween and cosplay. It's designed to match the movie's aesthetic. If you are looking for a prop to complete your John Wick cosplay, you should consider this. What people say. A well-crafted coin as described, comes in plastic case lil trouble opening, each one singly cased in hard plastic well protected, and the coins feel authentic and hold. Recommend to any John Wick fan. The coins came out pretty damn good. Each came in its own clear case and small Ziploc-like bag. Very clean and well-imaged coins. Good weight too. The markers are of good quality and present nicely. These markers have a good weight to them, and they look great. Number 1. Datsuzoki John J.W. Blood Oath Marker Coin. This is the John J.W. Blood Oath Marker Coin. It's a skull-shaped metal coin, perfect for collectors. It's a unique piece that you'll want to add to your collection. The coin is designed by Datsuzoki. The details on this coin are amazing. It's a great item for anyone interested in collecting. The coin features a detailed skull design. The metal gives it a nice weight and feel. It's a great conversation starter. This coin is a must-have for collectors. It's a unique item that will stand out in any collection. Get yours today. This is a piece of collectible merchandise. It's a great way to show off your interests. Don't miss out on this one. What we like. This coin features a unique skull metal design. It's a great piece of collecting merchandise. If you are a fan of the movie and want to add a unique item to your collection, you should consider this. What people say. Well made. Great for collection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.